Will the Moon and Mars speak Mandarin in the future? This question might seem far-fetched, but it's becoming increasingly relevant as China's prowess in space exploration continues to grow at an unprecedented pace. In this era, the United States is experiencing what could be called a golden age of space exploration, with countless launches, space hardware developments, and other significant milestones. Yet even with these achievements, the U.S. could be on the brink of surrendering its long-standing leadership in space exploration and technology to China. The People's Republic of China is making remarkable strides in both human and robotics capabilities. In the span of a few short years, China's space accomplishments have been nothing short of impressive. The successful launch of the Long March 5B heavy-lift vehicle, the construction of the Tiangong space station, and the historic landing of the Chang'e 4 rover on the far side of the Moon are just a few examples of China's recent triumphs in space. In 2019, China made history by becoming the first nation to successfully soft-land a vehicle, the Chang'e 4 rover lander duo, on the Moon's far side. This feat was followed by the successful Moon sample return mission by the Chang'e 5 in the subsequent year. Just recently, in March of 2024, China launched its relay satellite, the Queqiao-2, which will enable the country to conduct operations on the Moon's far side and pave the way for future lunar missions. While these accomplishments may still seem to pale in comparison to those of the United States over the past 60 years, the rate at which China is catching up is indeed startling. A 2022 Pentagon report even suggests that the U.S. could lose its lead in space technology as soon as 2045 if current trends continue. China's rapid progress in space exploration is a wake-up call for the world. It's a reminder that the final frontier is not the sole domain of any one nation, but a vast expanse waiting to be explored and understood by all of humanity. And as we continue this journey, the question remains, will the Moon and Mars speak Mandarin in the future? China's ambitious lunar missions are setting the stage for a new era in space exploration. The Chang'e series, named after the Chinese moon goddess, is a testament to this ambition, advancing China's position in the space race. The Chang'e missions are not just about reaching the Moon, they're about understanding it, studying its resources, and even planning for potential human habitation. Each mission builds upon the success of the previous ones, methodically pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The Chang'e 4 rover lander duo, for instance, made history in 2019 by becoming the first to successfully soft land on the far side of the Moon. This was followed by the Chang'e 5 mission, which successfully returned lunar samples to Earth in 2020. But the Chinese aren't stopping there. On March 20, 2024, they launched the Queqiao-2 relay satellite. This technological marvel allows China to conduct operations on the Moon's far side, an area previously unreachable due to communication challenges. Queqiao-2 is a stepping stone, paving the way for the upcoming Chang'e 6 mission, a lunar far side sample return mission set to occur later this year. And the Chinese have even more ambitious plans. The Chang'e 7 lander and rover, set to launch in 2026, aims to explore the South Pole Aitken Basin, one of the Moon's most scientifically interesting regions. Then there's the Chang'e 8 mission, slated for 2028, which is expected to include a lunar in-situ resource utilization, or ISRU, demonstration. This will be a critical test of how we could use the Moon's resources to support future human missions, potentially paving the way for a lunar base. China's lunar aspirations are not just dreams, but well-planned and executed missions. Each step brings them closer to their ultimate goal, landing Chinese taikonauts on the Moon, possibly by 2030. As we watch these missions unfold, we're not just witnessing a nation's space ambitions, but the unfolding of a new chapter in human space exploration. While the world is still contemplating Mars, China is already planning a sample return mission. As we delve deeper into China's space endeavors, we must spotlight the nation's ambitions concerning the red planet Mars. China has declared an audacious goal to conduct a Mars sample return mission by the year 2030. A mission of this magnitude is no small feat. It involves landing a spacecraft on Mars, collecting samples from the Martian surface, and then launching these samples back into space for a return journey to Earth. The technological prowess and logistical acumen required for such a mission are immense. But why is this significant? To put it into perspective, let's consider the United States and its partners who have been striving to achieve a similar mission. Despite the wealth of experience and resources at their disposal, they have been grappling with the complexities involved. The challenges range from technical hurdles like the need for advanced robotics to collect and store samples, to logistical issues like the long communication delays between Mars and Earth. Yet China appears undeterred by these challenges. In fact, they are harnessing them as stepping stones to propel their space exploration endeavors further. This audacious goal of a Mars sample return mission is not just a testament to China's technological prowess, but also a reflection of their strategic foresight. It signifies China's commitment to pioneering new frontiers in space exploration and their determination to stake a claim in the future of interplanetary science. However, it's not just about the race to Mars or the Moon. This is about the broader narrative of global leadership in space exploration and technology. China's Mars ambitions are a clear statement of intent, a message to the world that they are a force to be reckoned with in the arena of space exploration. China's Mars ambitions demonstrate a clear vision and determination that cannot be ignored. As we look towards the future of space exploration, it's clear that China is not just a participant, but a potential frontrunner in the race to unravel the mysteries of our universe. What happens when the stars align for China in space? In the grand theater of the cosmos, a new player is stepping into the spotlight. The People's Republic of China, with its ambitious lunar and Mars missions, is making significant strides in space exploration. But what are the implications of this potential shift in leadership? Space exploration isn't just about the thrill of discovery and the pursuit of scientific knowledge, it's an investment in a nation's future. It bolsters innovation, opening up new markets and creating opportunities for technological advancement. When a country takes the lead in space exploration, it enhances its national standing, demonstrating its capabilities on a global stage. China's potential dominance in space exploration could be a catalyst for unprecedented innovation. Their accomplishments, from the successful landing of the Chang'e 4 rover on the far side of the Moon to their plans for a Mars sample return mission, are testament to their technological prowess and determination. This could lead to breakthroughs in fields like robotics, artificial intelligence, and materials science, with ripple effects across numerous industries. However, this new era of space exploration also brings with it potential risks and challenges. The United States, long considered the leader in space technology, could find itself playing catch-up. According to a Pentagon report in 2022, the U.S. could lose its lead in space technology as soon as 2045. This raises questions about the country's ability to maintain its influence in space policy, diplomacy, and security. Moreover, space exploration has far-reaching implications for scientific discovery and education. The U.S. has been a beacon of inspiration for generations of scientists, engineers, and astronauts. If China takes the lead, could this shift the global focus of scientific and technological education? In conclusion, as the stars align for China in space, the world watches with bated breath. The potential benefits are enormous, but so too are the risks and challenges. As we look to the future, it's clear that the stakes are higher than ever. The future of space exploration is rapidly evolving, and China is poised to play a significant role. China's space journey is a testament to its vision and determination. With a steady march forward in both human and robotic capabilities, the nation has achieved remarkable feats in recent years. From the success of the Long March 5B heavy-lift vehicle to the construction of the Tiangong space station, China's accomplishments are noteworthy. Their lunar missions, including the successful soft landing of the Chang'e 4 rover lander duo and the sample return mission of Chang'e 5, have set the stage for more ambitious endeavors. With the launch of Queqiao 2, they lay the groundwork for future lunar missions and potential manned landings. China's ambitions extend beyond the Moon to Mars, where they aim to conduct a sample return mission by 2030. These developments, coupled with a fast-paced growth trajectory, could potentially challenge the United States' long-standing dominance in space. As we gaze at the stars, we must acknowledge the rising dragon in the realm of space exploration.